Tiana and today I've got a super cool surprise to show you.
Here's your Hatchimals egg, Tiana.
And guys, if you didn't know what Hatchimals are, they are magical interactive creatures inside eggs and they hatch and they're super cool, and my dad's kept this a secret from me. But I just seen a light. It's lighting up. Whoa! Guys, whoever's inside is a surprise. Awesome! You have to care for them and they will hatch themselves with your help, and come back on the 7th of October to find out more. I just heard it tapping the egg. Visit Hatchimals.com for a sneak peek. And don't forget guys, you can come back on the 7th of October to find out more about my Hatchimals egg. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Available in stores October 7th.